Hey guys, I'm Will with Sally's Roof, and I'm the general manager over there. We're over here at SVG. We've got it down to a science. These guys really know what they're doing. I've done my due diligence, so this one right here is number one.
How you doing? My name is Garland Glover. Learned a lot of stuff I did not know, but I've been converted. Got a chance to come to Solar Bootcamp? Make it.
Hey, my name is Tony Silva from Home Repair. You know, coming to the boot camp, it's really been an amazing, eye-opening experience. I got to give it to SVG and Anthony for really putting together a great process, better than any other way I've ever seen it done.
You can always do business together and make money, but if you can do business together and make money and have fun with the people you're making money with, that's even better.
Guys, we're going to create an entire culture here.
Hi, I'm Olga Reality. I'm with JBN Construction and Solar. SVG Solar is happening, man. They got it down packed that you don't have to worry about anything, and their training is beyond belief, man.